Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken noodle soup in your slow cooker. First, gather your fresh ingredients like boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, and chop your favorite vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. Place these along with your chicken into the slow cooker pot. Add chicken broth and any desired herbs like bay leaves, ensuring everything is well covered. Once your ingredients are in, set your slow cooker. For a rich, deeply flavored soup, cook on the low setting for 6 to 8 hours. If you are short on time, you can cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. Always ensure the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and doneness. The timing for noodles is key to prevent them from becoming mushy. Add your egg noodles during the last 30 minutes of cooking, stirring them gently into the hot broth. This allows them to cook perfectly. Finish by stirring in fresh herbs like parsley or dill and adjust the seasonings with salt and pepper to your personal preference. Your comforting chicken noodle soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and serve it immediately. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a small squeeze of lemon juice to brighten the flavors. Any leftover soup can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.